are getting ready to try this griddle out for breakfast. On camera. There we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burners. So this griddle, see if you can catch that, got up to 444, 450 really fast. Here goes arepa number 1. All right, listen to that sound. We got the griddle going now. Goes arepa number 2. Yeah, she was working on this in the kitchen, and now we got it going on here. They got to be just right before they hit the griddle. Right there. How's the potatoes?
Excellent.
The potatoes are good. Yeah. Okay. So I did good on the potatoes and the sausage.
With my special seasoning.
Oh, we got to go get the egg. And there's only 2 of us, but look, we're using the whole surface of the griddle.
So I think they're
Look at those golden.
They're pretty ready.
Oh, they are looking good.
I think they are ready.
Oh, look at you. Good job. So now that she's gone, I'm going to have to do the flipping. Which means there's 1. There's 2. Did it. Did it. The arepas are over here staying warm. So are the potatoes and the sausage. Just got to learn to regulate all the temperatures and keep them where I want. Look at those golden brown potatoes. Those golden brown arepas. The sausage. And the good looking eggs. I think this breakfast is done.
Look at this egg. Oh, yeah.
Look at those eggs. I flipped 2 of them together without ruining them.
Good. This is for you.
Well, it sounds good to me. This one's mine, guys. This is homemade chocolate.
That's how you can.
That's how you make the frost on the chocolate.
With frost.
You gotta do it just right. I'm not qualified for that. Okay.
You can put it in cups.
Well, guys, there you have it. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.